Hello and welcome to the Wizdough channel. Please watch this video till the end to learn how to fix some of the most annoying problems related to the indicator installation. My name is John. I'm a trading engineer from Wizdough. Please subscribe to our channel to see more about Wizdough, our indicators, and how to successfully use them in your trading on the NinjaTrader platform. We will install second entry indicator as an example. Download the indicator from the website. Open NinjaTrader Control Center. Then click Tools, Import NinjaScript add-on. Wait for the confirmation window. Now the indicator is installed. Right after the installation, the indicator is trying to connect with the NinjaTrader license server to confirm license validity. If you have installed a Wizdough indicator for the first time on this machine, then the indicator will receive a trial license for several days automatically. Sometimes though, the indicator might fail to get a license. In this case, you might see a pop-up window telling you about license-related issue. Another unfavorable scenario is that you might not see any pop-ups at all and still the indicator won't work. In all those cases, please try to restart NinjaTrader as a first attempt to resolve the issue. Usually after restarting NinjaTrader, the indicator starts working. In case it doesn't help, and if it's not the first time you install the indicator, please try to uninstall the indicator and reinstall it again. In general, it is a good practice to remove the previous version of an indicator before you install a new version. To uninstall the indicator, please open NinjaTrader Control Center, then click Tools, remove NinjaScript Assembly. There, please choose the indicator we want to uninstall and click Remove. Please note that it is not the same as removing indicator from NinjaScript editor. The editor can be only used for removing add-ons with open source code. In the last chapter of this video, we will see how to purchase and request a license for Wizdough indicator. First of all, you should go to the website and click Buy button. After the purchase process will be complete from your side, you will receive a confirmation email. Please send us email with your user-generated ID. Here is how you can get one. Go to the NinjaTrader Control Center, then click Help, Third-party licensing, input Wizboard Inc. Make sure you use capital W and capital I into the vendor name field. Input an identifying suffix to append to your machine ID into the user-defined ID. Make sure you leave no spaces between the words there. Provide us with the newly generated machine ID after you press Submit button. Thank you for watching this video. Please let us know in the comments what are the issues you have run into related to installation and licensing indicators. Also, please let me know what other videos would you like to see on this channel. Hit the like button, subscribe and visit our website. Click the link in the description.